that finishes up today working on Gigantor, guys. We got the front shock towers on in the last video, but today we got the bypasses on. They look super good. Awesome. And then we got the 2414 forces ready to be picked up tomorrow. So we did pretty good today. We got the rear coilover towers on, or we plasma cut them out, welded them together, welded them onto the chassis, and we're all ready for our lower coilover mounts. Got them set up right there. So now we're all set up to get those welded on, and then we can move on to sway bars. We can flex the axle up to double bump in the rear, drop it completely, and I can get driveline measurements so I can get the rear driveline ordered. And then we're able to, cycle the suspension to double bump and full drop when I'm designing and mounting the sway bars. So the front sway bar will go roughly here. The sway bar block will go there, and the sway bar link will be behind the bypass. I think I'm going to tie it into the top of the radius or the 4-link arm mount, or maybe the very back of the truss right there. We'll see. But the front one will go there. Normally on all the full-size trucks, you can run the sway bar just wherever up front. But here we have a Toyota power steering box, so we can't run the sway bar here. So that's why it has to sit in the rear. So it's going to run the lift post. So in the rear here, we need to, its sway bar block will go right here on the bottom of the frame. So the chromoly can go right between the horn blasters and over the exhaust mount there. It can go right through that space, and then its sway bar link will be down here on the back of the axle. So we're looking really good here, guys, on Project Gigantor. It's at September 1st. We have that many days until SEMA. So we are in full SEMA crunch mode. We have to get those last items done like I was telling you guys, and then we can get everything to the powder coater, and then we'll take a break for a week or two while everything's at powder, and then everything will come back and we'll fully assemble the truck. And then we're waiting on our American Force 2816s and our 42-inch Furies, maybe Venoms, maybe Versatire. We're not completely sure yet, but as soon as I know, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as always. If you like what we do here at Cougar House, let me know. Follow along on Instagram that we're very active on, and follow us on the long road to SEMA again this year for 23. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode.